Creating a more transparent HR system is essential to fostering trust and accountability within your organization. If you want to boost employee satisfaction and retention, transparency in HR practices is key. Here's a concise, no-nonsense guide on how to make your HR system more transparent and effective. Start by defining clear, open communication channels. One of the first steps to creating a transparent HR system is ensuring that all employees feel comfortable sharing their concerns and feedback. Set up regular one-on-one meetings or feedback sessions where employees can freely discuss their issues, ideas, and experiences without fear of retaliation. Next, make your policies accessible and easy to understand. Many companies create policies that are long, complex, and hard to find. Make sure your HR policies are clear, concise, and readily available to everyone in the company. You can upload them to an intranet or employee portal where they're easy to navigate. This simple step goes a long way in creating transparency. Now let's talk about compensation and performance reviews. Be upfront about how compensation is determined, what performance expectations are, and how employees can grow within the company. Make sure that employees know the criteria for raises and promotions. When performance reviews happen, they should be based on objective data and communicated clearly so there's no ambiguity about why decisions were made. Another important step is sharing decision-making processes. Whether it's about hiring, firing, or promotions, it's crucial that employees understand how these decisions are made. This doesn't mean disclosing everything, but offering a transparent outline of the criteria and steps involved can prevent misunderstandings and build trust in the system. Automation is a great tool to ensure transparency in HR practices. You can use software that tracks employee performance, feedback, and any issues. Our software can streamline these processes and make it easier for HR to manage transparency, track metrics, and ensure that information is consistently updated and accessible. I've tested several tools, and this one stands out. If you're interested, I've left an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so be sure to check it out. And remember, transparency isn't just about sharing information, it's about consistency and follow-through. Make sure that employees see the actions that result from their feedback. If employees don't see real changes from the transparency efforts, trust will quickly erode. Key takeaway. To create a more transparent HR system, you need to establish clear communication channels, make policies accessible, be open about compensation and performance reviews, share decision-making processes, and use the right tools to automate and track these efforts. Consistency is key. What matters is not just the transparency itself, but the actions that back it up. Before I close, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. It's a great tool to help you get started with creating a transparent HR system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.